Cyrus Teed was born in 1839. Teed became a physician in Utica, New York. He often experimented with alchemy and electricity, and according to him, in 1869, he was shocked unconscious. And he had a vision of a divine spirit who told Teed that he was the Messiah. Once he woke up, Cyrus changed his name to Koresh, the Hebrew form of Cyrus. Teed believed the earth did not revolve around the sun and was hollow. Humans lived in the planet, and the sun is in the center, a giant battery-operated contraption. The stars are merely reflections of its light. Obviously, this guy was a little nuts, but the people started following him. Teed's followers were called the Koreshans. Teed formed groups in New York City and Moravia, a town in New York. Then he moved to Chicago in 1888, creating a commune called Beth Afra. The cult, called Koreshan Unity, believed in following the ideals of community, equality, and celibacy to attain immortality. The cult and Teed practiced feminism and gender equality, with the cult's ruling body being called the Planetary Court, which was entirely comprised of women besides Teed, who was the leader. In 1894, Teed moved his followers to a new commune in Estero, Florida. The group built an extensive complex, building a bakery, a printing house, a general store, a power plant, and much more. The community peaked in the early 20th century, from 1903 to 1908, when it had over 250 residents. Teed stated he envisioned a large utopian city of 10 million people with 400-foot wide streets. However, when Teed died in 1908, membership in his cult began to decline. In 1906, the Koreshans established a political party called the Progressive Liberal Party, attempting to take political power in Lee County. But the group never gained political power and went into decline following Koresh's death. The Koreshans slowly dwindled in population, with the celibacy not helping. The last follower was a woman named Hedwig Michel, who joined in 1940. She was a German immigrant who came fleeing World War II. Michel donated most of the commune to the state of Florida to be preserved as a state historic site, where she lived until her death in 1981. Michel is the only Koreshan buried on the property. Today, you can visit Koreshan State Park in Estero, Florida, and see Cyrus Teed's utopian vision for yourself. Thanks for watching. The year is 1904, and in a large compound in southern Florida, a community goes about their business. Some landscape or farm, others build new additions to the compound. In the middle of the compound, a man watches over his followers. His followers call him Koresh, and he is the leader of this cult.